In this video, I'm going to show you how to selectively display content in your WordPress website. I'm going to do this using Elementor Extras, specifically the Display Conditions widget. Hi, I'm Mike Prestwood with Prestwood IT Solutions. This video is part of our Presto Pro WordPress channel. If you like videos like this, please click the subscribe link and notification bell below. Okay, let's get started. The Display Conditions widget is part of Elementor Extras, which is an add-on plugin for Elementor. To find out more about Elementor Extras, you can simply Google for Elementor Extras. You can see here that it has quite a few extensions available. Let's take a quick look at the pricing, just so you're aware of what this costs. It's actually very inexpensive. So they offer 3 licenses, single, unlimited, and lifetime. So £26 a year, £64 a year, or £128 and you're done. The Display Conditions widget allows you to selectively display content based on a variety of conditions: login status, user role, operating system even, browser, as well as date and time, a specific page, etc. So we'll go ahead and go over 2 examples of this. Here I am on one of the blogs that I blog to. In this particular case, I'm on my corporate website, and what I want to do is when a visitor goes into the blog area, I want to show a blog menu here on the right hand side, but this Prestwood IT blog home, I don't want this button showing when I'm on the Prestwood IT blog home. So that'll be the first use case. Now the second use case is down here where it says get help now, call us, we're open Monday through Friday 8 to 5. So in other words, I want to display this 8 to 5 Monday through Friday. This is an Elementor tutorial, so I'm assuming you are familiar with Elementor. So here I am on the blog homepage, and the first thing I want to do is hide this when I'm on this page. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit with Elementor to edit this Elementor page. Now here's my menu on the right hand side here. When I click on it, you'll see that it's actually a template, so I'm going to go ahead and right click on it and select Edit Template. So what I've done is I've embedded a template on various places within my blog, basically. So I'm going to right click and select Edit Template, and then I'm going to go ahead and click Edit Template button over here. It's actually opened up a new tab, and now you can see my blog menus here. So I'm going to go ahead and select my button. The way Elementor Extras works is for pretty much any element under Advanced, they give you an extra menu here, and they show you some of the extensions that you have installed. So for this particular example, we have Display Conditions. We're going to go ahead and click Yes. And then in this particular case here, Output HTML. If enabled, the HTML code will exist on the page, but the widget will be hidden using CSS. This particular case, I don't want the extra bandwidth of the HTML code being sent out. So I'll go ahead and leave that to No. Now in this particular case here, we got all conditions met. So the first condition here, we're going to go ahead and edit this particular condition here. And then we're going to select from the drop down. You have a bunch of different options here. We're going to go ahead and select Page. And then we're going to switch it to Is Not. And then we're going to go ahead and select our home page of blog. So in this case, it's Prestwood IT blog is what it's called. And then I'm going to go ahead and select Update. Okay, now I can see on the blog homepage, on my blog menu on the right here, I no longer show that button. Now let's go ahead and just click on any one of these other recent articles here just to make sure that my blog menu is showing the button when not on the home page. So you can see here that I can get back to the home page now by clicking that button there. That was an example of hiding content on a particular page. For our second example, we're going to make this red section down in our footer display only when the office is actually open. So I'm going to go ahead and select Edit. Footer default is the section that I'm using for this particular example. Now that we're loaded up here, I'm going to go ahead and select the section. In this particular case, I want this entire section to go away, not a particular widget with inside of it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Advanced, scroll down to Extras. You can see here that Display Conditions, you're going to turn that on. All conditions are met, and actually I already have it predefined here, so let's just review what I already wrote there. So condition time of day is not before 8 a.m. It's a 24-hour clock. And the condition is before 1700, so before 5 p.m. And once you've set up those two conditions, then you just simply update. While we're in here, let's go ahead and go over some of the options here. So display conditions, you toggle that on in order to get access to the options, and then you could display the content for all conditions met or any condition met. And then when you add a condition, you have a bunch of options here. So for a visitor, login, status, role, operating system, browser, the date time could be based off of current day, time of day, base it off of the page type itself. Show this either on only a particular page or on all pages except for a particular page. Same thing with post. And then you have your archives here and variables. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please help me out and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.